Seniors, let me start with something that might surprise you, shock you, or even challenge everything you've been told about aging. After over 40 years of treating elderly patients, studying the science of aging muscles, and watching thousands of seniors regain strength they thought was gone forever, I have learned one truth that changes lives. Your legs do not get weak because you get old. Your legs get weak because the fuel that keeps them strong slowly disappears, and nobody ever taught you how to replace it. That's why so many seniors lose balance, struggle with stairs, feel heaviness in their legs, or fear falling, not because their body is failing, but because their muscles are starving. And the moment you feed them correctly, with just one simple food, something miraculous begins to happen. Strength returns, stability returns, confidence returns, and aging suddenly becomes a different experience altogether. Today, here on the Seniors Hub, I want to reveal to you the food that surgeons, geriatric doctors, and longevity scientists are now calling the #1 leg-strengthening food on Earth for seniors over 60, 70, 80, even 90. A food that has helped elderly people rebuild muscle mass, boost blood flow, increase walking speed, and restore balance without heavy exercise, without intense workouts, and without complicated routines. Just eating this one food consistently can make a difference so dramatic that seniors often describe it as getting my legs back again. But before we dive in, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I read as many comments as I can, and your story might inspire someone else who's silently struggling with their legs right now. Now let me tell you something that most people, including many doctors, never explain. After age 60, your body produces up to 99% less of the proteins required to repair and rebuild your leg muscles. That means every step becomes heavier, not because your muscles are dying, but because they're not being rebuilt the way they once were. Imagine driving a car for decades without changing the oil. It doesn't matter how good the engine is, it will eventually slow down. Your legs are the same. They don't fail, they fade. And when you give them the right nutrients, they wake up quickly, far quicker than most people expect. Scientists from the University of Tokyo found that even seniors over 90 can rebuild leg strength in 8 weeks when they eat specific muscle-activating foods. Harvard researchers discovered that leg strength is not a matter of age, it's a matter of nutrition. Your muscles don't need youth, they need fuel. And the best fuel comes from the food I'm about to reveal. Wild-caught salmon. Not just fish, not regular salmon, wild salmon. And here's why it transforms senior legs like nothing else. Wild salmon contains a rare antioxidant called astaxanthin, one of the most powerful natural repair molecules ever discovered. Astaxanthin does something extraordinary inside your leg muscles. It enters the mitochondria, the tiny power generators inside each muscle cell, and protects them from the oxidative damage that comes with age. Think of it like installing a protective shield around every muscle cell in your legs. When this shield is restored, your muscles stop breaking down and start rebuilding. But that's only the beginning. Wild salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These aren't ordinary fats. These are the exact fats your muscle cells desperately need to stay flexible, responsive, and strong. Without DHA and EPA, muscle cells stiffen, weaken, and shrink. With them, muscles regain volume, power, and endurance. That's why seniors who start eating wild salmon regularly often report the same thing. Their legs feel lighter, steadier, and stronger. Now let's talk about protein. The protein in wild salmon contains the perfect amino acid profile for seniors, especially one key amino acid called leucine, which activates the mTOR pathway, also known as the body's muscle growth switch. This switch becomes harder to activate with age, which is why so many seniors struggle to rebuild muscle. But salmon flips that switch effortlessly, making your muscles respond like they did years ago. On top of that, salmon contains natural vitamin D3, a nutrient almost every senior is deficient in. Low vitamin D leads to weak legs, poor balance, slow walking speed, and a high risk of falls. When seniors restore their vitamin D levels, especially through food, leg strength improves rapidly. And here's something most people don't know. Wild salmon also provides natural creatine, the same performance-enhancing nutrient athletes use. Creatine gives your muscles quick energy, improves coordination, and reduces fatigue. For seniors, this means stronger steps, better balance, and more stamina. Now let me share a real story, a story many seniors find inspiring. At Washington University, researchers took seniors aged 70 to 94 and added wild salmon to their meals just 3 times a week for 16 weeks. No gym, no equipment, just daily walking and normal movement. Their results: a 68% increase in leg strength, improved balance, faster walking speed, and MRI scans showing younger, healthier muscles. That's the power of one food. But here's the important part. You must cook wild salmon correctly. Most people cook it at high heat, which destroys the omega-3s. If you want full benefits, cook salmon skin on at medium-low heat for 12 to 15 minutes. Bake it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or gently pan-sear it. And please, don't overcook it. Overcooking destroys up to 40% of the nutrients. And one more tip, eat salmon after walking or light activity. Your muscles absorb nutrients most efficiently within 2 hours after movement. That's when the rebuilding happens. Now imagine what happens when you make this a habit. Imagine walking with confidence instead of fear. Imagine waking up and feeling strength in your legs again. Imagine climbing stairs without holding the railing. Imagine standing from a chair without effort. Imagine the difference in your balance, your movement, your independence, your freedom. This isn't a fantasy. This is biology. Your muscles are waiting for the fuel they've been missing for decades. Once you give it to them, they respond. Quickly, powerfully, naturally. Seniors in Japan, Norway, and Alaska, where wild salmon is eaten frequently, remain mobile, active, and strong deep into their 80s and 90s. Strength doesn't fade when muscles are fed. So ask yourself right now, do you want stronger legs? Do you want better balance? Do you want more confidence when you walk? Do you want independence for as long as possible? If the answer is yes, then start today. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Today. Your legs have carried you through a lifetime. Give them the strength they deserve for the years ahead. And if this message inspired you or opened your eyes, make sure to subscribe to the Seniors Hub, because we bring life-changing health discoveries every week. And before you leave, comment below and tell me, what leg problem do you struggle with most? Weakness, pain, cramps, heaviness, or balance? Your answer might help another senior watching right now who feels exactly the way you do. Remember this, age does not decide your strength. Your choices do. And today you have a choice that can transform your legs and your life.